And next, we have P for impact. So what is P for in impact? This is policy advocacy. Focus on influencing policy and budgets. Example, the Georgia National Strategy. So in Marinduque, LGU budget proposal. So we need to have a budget proposal in national, of course, and also there's a budget about the health, of course, and that is a proposal. And we did that yearly in proposing in national. So the recommendation here is monitor policy implementation, use advocacy toolkits, and about the Turing link agenda setting theory. So I put also the SDG alignment here, and this is SDG 3, good health and well-being. So policy advocacy is crucial in making TB or AIDS and HIV to control it, to control sustainable. This slide emphasizes not just policy creation but monitoring and enforcing policy. So the agenda setting theory explains how focused advocacy can influence political priorities. So making this TB, the HIV or AIDS, this is an agenda item for local and national leaders. Okay, for moving on, letter A for impact, accurate communication, uses storytelling, local language, social media, barangay forums. Sometimes if we talk about the story, and that's a real story, so we realize something that there's a lesson, of course, about the recommendation here, pre-test materials, assess message clarity, and credibility. So we need to know if that story is credible, of course, and even in the social media, we need a proof just to know that that issue, if that issue is real or not. So the theory links here is health belief model and diffusion of innovation. So the goal here, combat misinformation, improve health literacy. So the power of communication lies in its ability to inform and influence behavior. So this slide suggests refining message delivery through pre-testing and audience feedback. So the theorists underscore that communication must be credible, relevant, and persuasive to result in real behavior change. So we need to know and check all the information. So the very important with this issue is the communication. So we need to check if this is real or not, fake news, because in social media, some issues there is not true. So we need to prove, or we need a proof to check if it's true or not. Impact, change in knowledge, attitudes, and behavior. So this is important. Okay, the core goal here is stigma reduction, treatment adherence, health-seeking behaviors. Of course, the recommendation here is to conduct baseline and follow-up behavioral survey. So we need to get a real data for this. So data analysis or data analytics for this, so that we know how many, so how many or people involved here. So about the theory link here, theory of plant behavior, and the SDG, I'll put the SDG 3. So the behavior change is the ultimate goal of any health program. And this slide calls for measurable indicators and structured evaluation to assess how ACSM efforts affect actual health behaviors over time. So the theory supports the idea that intentions shaped by attitudes and social norms drive behaviors. Next, we have letter T for impact, transparency, and ethics. So to ensure ethical data collection, consent, and exit strategies, create informed consent protocols and sustainability plans. Of course, that's important. And the theoretical anchor, this is Ethical Communication Principles by Christians et al. whose systems approach, and also the integration into local structures. So this final pillar ensures that the ACSM program respects individual rights and maintains accountability. It also focuses on sustainability to ensure or ensuring that once external funding ends, the initiatives are still owned and run by the community or LGU. So that's the meaning of impact. So for moving on, we have the conclusion here. So the implementation of the advocacy, communication, and social mobilization or ACSM program, I made here the action plan, and the action plan grounded in the impact evaluation framework. So that is my pattern. So to represent the significant step toward creating the inclusive, responsive, and sustainable health interventions in Marinduque through a comprehensive analysis of the program's 6 key components. So we have the inclusive community engagement, mobilization effectiveness, policy advocacy, accurate communication, change in knowledge, attitudes and behavior, and transparency and ethics. So this plan presents a clear roadmap for action that is both evidence-based and community-driven. So each proposed project within the action plan directly responds to gaps and opportunities to identify in the evaluation, and initiatives such as the establishment of the community consultation hubs and barangay volunteer corps reinforce the program's commitment to bottom-up participation, ensuring that even the most marginalized voices, including the LGBTQIA+ communities, indigenous groups, and youth, are heard, respected, and mobilized. And then, meanwhile, the creation of an LGU ordinance for TB, HIV/AIDS, ACSM integration highlights the importance of political commitment and policy-based sustainability. So equally important is the development of the culturally relevant or IEC toolkit. So the conduct of mobile caravans pair the behavior dashboards and the rollout of ethical standards through the informed consent toolkit. This intervention emphasized the value of clear, context-sensitive communication, sustained behavioral change, and respect for human dignity are key principles in health promotion and development communication. The ACSM action plan is not merely a checklist of activities but a transformative framework that embodies the values of inclusion, empowerment, and sustainability. It translates theory into action by aligning with Paulo Freire's participatory communication theory, social network theory, agenda setting theory, and the health belief model theory of planned behavior and ethical communication principles. Moreover, it contributes to the advancement of Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs, particularly SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being, SDG 10, Reduce Inequalities, and SDG 17, Partnership for the Goals. In inclusion, the action plan is designed not just to reduce the burden of TB, HIV/AIDS in Marinduque, but to empower local communities to take ownership of their health outcomes by embedding the ACSM strategies into local governance and community structures. We move closer to a future where health is not only accessible but participatory, ethical, and equitable for all.